Hello everyone, sample question 1 for functions, and we are given two functions g of x and f of x, and we are asked to find f of 5 plus f of 0. So let's start part 1. We are using the f function, I'm circling it. So we have to find f of 5. So the 5 will replace x right here. Okay, so we will have 3 times 5 plus 1 all over 2. Okay, remember the x is replaced by 5 and the other numbers remain. So let's work that out. 3 times 5 plus 1 over 2. 3 5s are 15 plus 1 all over 2, which is 16 over 2. 2 into 16 is 8. Okay, we have our cancellation here. 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 16, 8. Let's find f of 0. f of 0, this 0 has to go with it, this x's. Okay, so we'll have 3 times 0 plus 1 over 2. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 over 2. And we get 1 over 2, which is a half. So the answer for part 1, f of 5 is 8 plus f of 0 is a half. The answer is 8 and a half. Okay, so let's see if we can find part 2 now. The answer to part 2, g of f of 5. Well, we found f of 5. Remember, we found f of 5 if you compare these two things here, and you see that there's a pattern. Alright, so we have to use one of our answers from part 1 to help us. So f of 5 is equal to 8. So that means that g of f of 5 equals g of 8. So we are using the g function now. I'm circling it. So we'll have g of 8. Remember that x must be replaced by 8 now. And so we'll have 4 times 8. Take away 7 using the g function. 4 times 8 is 32. Take away 7 is 25. So far our answer for part 1 was 8.5. Our answer for part 2 is 25. One more part to do. We have to find the inverse function for g of x. So we have g of x here. That's for the algorithm of replacing g of x by y. So y is equal to 4x minus 7. Now let's switch x and y around. So x is equal to 4y minus 7. Now let's solve the equation and make y the subject of the formula. So we have to add 7 to both sides. X plus 7 equals 4y. And we have to divide both sides by 4. So we get x plus 7 over 4. X plus 7 over 4 is equal to y. And so our g inverse of x. G inverse of x will be equal to x plus 7 over 4. Okay, so if we want to find g inverse of 1, This will be equal to, replace the x, this one must come here and replace the x, and so we will have 1 plus 7 over 4 is equal to 8 over 4. 4 into 8 is 2. And that's our answer. I hope that you understood what was taught, and have a good day.